Today we're on the Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas, and I'm going to give you a room tour of room 509 on deck 9. Come inside. So, when we get in the room, we see a small little closet and a little safe in case you want to keep something safe. After that, let's go into the bathroom. You've got one sink, some hand soap, you've got one shower. The shower's not very big, but it gets the job done, and one toilet. So when you come out of the bathroom, you have a nice little table. You have a small cabinet to store some stuff. You have a mirror with some lights on the side. Then you have a TV, which I think this is cool. You can move the TV depending on where you are. So if you're laying in bed, or if you're just sitting on the couch, or stuff like that. You've also got one drawer right here, which it has a blow dryer, so you don't need one. Then you have another drawer. I don't know what that is. Then we have another drawer. Nothing's in it. It's just an empty drawer for storage. Then, right here, we have a nice little mini fridge. So you can keep your drinks cool. So next to the TV, we've got a small table. They gave us some treats. Thank you, Royal Caribbean. Then we have a small little couch built for two. Usually there's two people staying in one room, so you got two people. Next, we have a very big bed. You can split it in two, or you can just keep it as one. After that, you have two lights on each side of the bed and a stand in case you want to put a water or some other light next to your bed. This is the interior room tour of room 509 on deck 9. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, thumbs up the video, and hit that bell to see more of my videos. Bye.